Hello guys, welcome to DevOps Easy Learning. My name is Eric Patterson. Today I will show you how to integrate Jenkins with SonarQube. Without any further delay, let's start. So this is my Jenkins server. What I'm going to do is that to integrate Jenkins with SonarQube, the first thing that you need to do to establish the communication between Jenkins and SonarQube, you need to install the SonarQube plugin. Then after installing the SonarQube plugin, you need to configure the SonarQube plugin. So we have a SonarQube server that is already running here. So we can go ahead and start it here. Let's start our SonarQube server. That's like a dummy SonarQube server that we have. So we are going to go ahead and integrate. This is the server that we use to teach student at DevOps Easy Learning, and we are going to use this one to integrate with Jenkins. So the first thing that we need to do is to go ahead and install the SonarQube plugin. So number one, we go ahead and install the SonarQube plugin. You go to the dashboard, manage Jenkins, we go to plugin, and if we check on install plugin, if I type here SonarQube, you will see no SonarQube on the install plugin. That means that SonarQube plugin is not installed. And also, if I come here, if I go to manage Jenkins, I go to system here. If I search for SonarQube, you guys will see that it returns 0, is red, meaning that SonarQube is not installed here. So we can go back to our plugin section and try to install that. So I will go to available plugin, then I will look for SonarQube. That's going to be the Sonar scanner plugin, which is this plugin, the SonarQube scanner. We go ahead and install the SonarQube scanner plugin. Once the SonarQube scanner plugin is installed, if you go back to manage Jenkins on the system, if we look for SonarQube, we will see the SonarQube server here. So we already have the SonarQube plugin installed. That was able to publish this on the system information. So what I will go ahead and do is that we can check this one for environment variable. And then we need to actually supply to Jenkins our server URL. So what we need to do is to integrate Jenkins with SonarQube right now, the second part. So we go here, we need to add SonarQube here. Now we can give him any name. So I can say SonarQube here. Now, this server URL here is actually the URL of SonarQube. So we can go ahead and pick the URL of SonarQube, which is going to be only this one. Pick the URL here. Now, we need to actually generate the token. Then we need the token which will serve like an authentication parameter that Jenkins will use to actually integrate with SonarQube. So what we can do here is that so far we have nothing here. So I can click here to add. I can click here to add one. If it doesn't work here, we can still go on the other panel to get it. So I will apply here for now. I'll save it. Now we go to manage Jenkins again. Then I will go to credential, go to system, global credential here. Then I will add a credential, and that credential is going to be type secret, right? Secret text here. Now I need to go generate that. If you have to go to SonarQube, you go under your name here, you go to my account. Under my account, you go to security. Under security, you can generate a token, right? So you can generate a token called, for example, SonarQube Jenkins. We generate that token. It's going to give us this token here. I will go ahead and revoke this token later on. So we copy the token and we go back to Jenkins and we can supply that token here. We give him a name. Let's call it SonarQube. And we can copy the same name and put it on the description. We go ahead and click create. We can come here. Everything is already okay here in SonarQube. So we're gonna come down here and go back and supply that. Look for the SonarQube portion. Here, go to add here, and we have it here. SonarQube. Then we can apply and we can save. Now, once you have SonarQube installed and SonarQube configured, the second thing you need to do is to configure the scanner, because the scanner will be the one doing the scanner. This UI here is just where you will see all the report, like the one you see here. So we need to go ahead again and configure the scanner. So we go to manage Jenkins. You don't need to install the scanner as a plugin or whatever. The scanner is just located here on that tool. So you go on the tool here. If you scroll down, you will see SonarQube scanner installation. You can decide to add a scanner. So we can give him a name, SonarQube. And you can choose the scanner version you want to install. There are multiple versions. You can pick any version. So we pick the latest here. I will apply. Then I will save. Apply, save. And that's it, guys. That is how you configure SonarQube with Jenkins. First thing, you need to install the plugin. After installing the plugin, you need to configure the UI. And then after configuring the UI, you need to add a scanner. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.